From Zero to Mastery, the 30-day blueprint for learning any skill. Hello, amazing learner. Want to go from what's that to watch this in a single month? Grab this upbeat blueprint and dive in. You won't be a grand master by day 30, but you'll have real-world chops and the confidence to keep climbing. Here's what you should do. 1. Pick your quest and plant your flag. Choose a skill that sparks your curiosity or boosts your career. Set a clear 30-day finish line, like chat comfortably in Spanish, build a basic website, or serve a 3-course dinner. Break the big goal into 4 or 5 weekly milestones so you always know what's next. 2. Stock your toolbox. Collect a handful of quality resources that match your level. 1 or 2 beginner guides, a focused course, maybe a short playlist of tutorials. No endless scrolling. Pick your tools and stick with them. 3. Map the month. Block out 30-60 minutes every day for hands-on practice. Divide the month into weekly phases, each aimed at one milestone. A simple calendar or habit tracker works wonders here. 4. Practice on purpose. Do the thing, don't just read about it. Speak the language aloud, type the code, strike the guitar chord. Follow the 80-20th rule. Spend most of your time on the few techniques that deliver the biggest payoff. 5. Measure and tinker. Every week, test yourself. Record a short video, build a mini project, cook for a friend. See what clicked and what needs work, then tweak next week's plan. 6. Stay consistent and accountable. Short daily sessions beat marathon cramfests. Tell friends, post updates, or join an online community so others cheer you on, and notice if you skip a day. 7. Look back and cheer. On day 30, compare where you started with where you are now. Celebrate. Seriously, treat yourself. Decide whether to level up further or pick a fresh challenge and run the blueprint again. Why a month works so well. 30 focused days give your brain just enough stress to grow new connections without burning out. The ticking clock keeps motivation high. Daily repetition pushes new skills into long-term memory, and a clear goal line turns wishful thinking into action. As you can see, talent is nice, but strategy plus steady effort wins every time. Choose your skill, start today, track each step, and watch how much ground you can cover by this time next month. You've got this!